Good morning again, and welcome to the crude oil inventory report session for the Backpacktrader training room, Thursday, September 8th. This room is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not to be considered financial advice. All right. Well, we've had a down move for most of the 10 o'clock hour, and then now it's actually for about the last half hour, and it's in the last 5 minutes or so, it started back upward again. So we'll have to see what the charts have in store for us this morning. All right, and most of you, those of you who have been here before, know how this goes. The report will should come out at 11 o'clock. We'll wait 2 minutes and then try to get our trades in. For those of you looking at the pound Aussie, also, it just triggered into a short for just its second trade of the morning, at least on my chart. It's a yellow trade off the 50 EMA. All right. And the report just came out. Let's see what there's the top of the reaction. For the moment. Quick reaction here. There's the bottom of the reaction. Mark those and see where we are. And that trades through money management, so it's off the table. That's 377 tick counterpunch chart in the lower left. Spotlight 8 tick momentum bar on the right side. Another minute to go. And the short is now off the table, or the long rather is off the table. That has reached out of the initial reaction. Looks like we started with the reaction, it went down, came back to that, back to the center, and now is breaking through, and now a possible short trade from 73. So that will be 63, and a long another 10 seconds. All right, the long is valid from 82.86. And there it is. Oops, I didn't even get that back down there. That's target 1 and target 2. So one and done on the spotlight. Take a look at what we've got on Counterpunch. Looks like the long is now went. Looks like we probably got in exactly the same place. Looking for money management at 49, target at 82. Now, unleaded, no trades yet on unleaded. And unleaded getting into a short. That may have been too fast. It was just a 7-second bar. Just missing money management. All right. Stop and reverse on unleaded. That you'd have gotten in sync and then stopped and reversed at 11. And that looks like it just hit money management. Yep. So 09, actually 12 because of our entry adjustment. And target 1 and target 2. So that should get us definitely get us positive. Almost no, very close to break even on the stop and reverse from short to long. Target 1 or target 2 getting you positive, I'm sure. And now the trailer at 32.48, just below money management. And money management achieved on the 377 tick, trailing at 83.31 currently. We're working to reach target at 81. 32.49 for the unleaded trailing stop. All right, 54 for unleaded stop. Still 31 for the 377 tick stop. $35 ticks gain on that first one. And unleaded stopping out at 63, it looks like 64. And that completes that one. And 377 tick stopping out at 31. So that's only a partial win. Potential short trade coming here. And there it is. 23. Not nearly, not as big a trade. You're quite welcome, Pamela. Yes, it was a nice end of the week for Spotlight. Counterpunch trying to get to POQ. It's got a nice partial win. From 86 to 31. 45. Picking up. So we've got 90 ticks already in hand. And now short. Just looking for a target 2 to give us our power of quitting. A target 1 would give it to us because that would be the second money management trade. Yeah, 63 tick target 1 would have been probably a good place to take profit and make that a one and done session. 63 and 96, but 90 ticks nonetheless. 45 ticks on 2 positions. Trying to work down through the. Looks like it bounced off the 200. We'll need to push down through that to get to target 1. All right, now trying to push down through the 50 again. Looks like the 50 EMA is providing a fair amount of support right now. Or I'm sorry, the 200 EMA. And stop and reverse to long on the 377. That'll go to 51. But we got to 53, so we're long. So from 24 to 53, or I'm sorry, 51, 27 ticks, loss of 54, so we're still positive. So all we got to do is a money management, giving back some of it. Now this stop is at 08. I think I would move my stop to 03, hide it behind the 200. That pound Aussie trade I mentioned just as we started the crude session, coming within 1 pip of money management. And now we have a stop and reverse to short at 83.09. That one's messy. And 5 or 6 ticks is a little bit too much to adjust, I think. To get around the 200. Look, it looks like it bounced off. Now, can we get up above the balance line a couple of times to cancel that? Okay, we have an up close, but balance line, signal line is at 29, and we closed at 28. So that one's not a close above yet. And it looks like we're going to close just about the same place again. Yep, we closed down, so still no closes above the balance line. And now the balance line has moved up a bit. Looks like to 32 or 3. Signal line on counterpunch. And it looks like this is going to be slow developing. Okay, pound Aussie going through target 1, pushing down on target 2. Stop now at 70.51. So that will be a POQ trade for at least for my chart. Getting a target 1. All right, folks. I hate to kind of leave this hanging, but looks like it's going sideways. So I'm going to call it a morning and let everybody go for the weekend. Everybody have a good afternoon. Good trading tomorrow. Check your volumes on the market indices. See if it's still on September or if it's transitioning to December. And if not tomorrow, then certainly Monday morning we should be changing over. But still today, 9 or 10 to 1 on the September contract. So definitely there. Don't want to be trying to trade the December contract quite yet. And here we come down for another test. Testing the 50. Let's see if it... Another rejection, it looks like. Is that going to be what it... Is that where the move up is going to come from? Solid move at this point. Okay, a little pullback as it gets close to those swing levels. And now back testing the 50 again. All right, looks like it's just going to go back and forth on us a little while. So I'm going to say goodbye for today. I will see everybody on Tuesday. Remember, no, room will be dark Monday. Actually, since I'm going to be gone the rest of the week, I'm going to go ahead and set. I'll come in Monday and Tuesday, and then we'll see everybody in a couple of weeks after that. It'll be Tuesday the 27th would be my next time in the room. So we will see everybody. Have a good week, good day tomorrow, and a good weekend. And we'll see everybody on Monday.